Last class lo superb concept manam discuss chesnam. In the last class we discussed about a conditional statement. So based on a condition, conditional statements like if will decide to execute the block of statements or not. Will decide that to execute the block of statements or not. That's as simple as that. But it will execute only once. If it is, if the condition is true, it will execute only for once. Okay, so now we are going to execute some block of code or some compound statements multiple times till the condition fails. అంటే ఏంటంటే ఒక కండిషన్ బేస్ చేసుకుని ఒక్కసారి ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేయడం ఎట్లా అని చూసి ఒక కండిషన్ బేస్ చేసుకుని మల్టిపుల్ టైమ్స్ ఎట్లా ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేయాలి till the condition fails. For example, let us see this code. If n1 greater than 0, console.log of given number is positive. That's okay. So if this condition satisfies, or if the condition returns true, if the condition gives true, right, then it will, if will allow to execute, allow the execution of the next continuous block of code for once. Suppose if I remove this if and if I say while, what happens? What happens is while will check the condition. If the condition returns true, it will keep on executing this block. After every execution of the block, again it will check the condition whether it is true or not. So while loop is like this. This is while loop. This is not if else. Why this resembles while? It will continuously execute the same piece of code. You have to write the condition. I hope you know this machine, right? Thankfully. నీకు తెలుసా ఇది? తెలీదా? వాడమని చెప్పలేదు నేను, తెలుసా అన్నాడు. చూసినావా ఎప్పుడైనా? చెరుకు రసం తాగినావా? ఏం జరుగుతుంది? స్విచ్ ఆన్ చేయగానే గంటలు కొట్టుకుంటూ తిరుగుతూ ఉంటుంది, రైట్? దట్ ఈస్ ద సిగ్నేచర్ ఆఫ్ సమ్మర్. You can enjoy sugarcane juice. I forgot yesterday. So that is a while loop. It will keep on executing it. So if you put the sugarcane, it will continuously run the code, run that particular machine. So who has to decide whether I should stop the execution or not? The operator. బటన్ ఆటోమేటిక్ ఎట్లా తెలుస్తుంది అయిపోయింది దీంట్లో షుగర్ కేన్ అయిపోయింది ఇప్పుడు ఆపేయాలని? Operator has to decide, right? no more sugar, no more juice is going to come out of that sugar cane, then they will stop it, right? But not only that, try to understand a few more things. Where the output will be caught, once the sugar cane juice is ready, దాన్ని ఎక్కడ పట్టుకుంటాం మనం? దట్ ఈస్ గ్లాస్ లో పడతావు, నోరు పెట్టలేకపోతే డైరెక్ట్. యూ హ్యావ్ ద బౌల్, రైట్? కిడ్డింగ్, ఓకే. ఈ బ్యాచ్ కి కార్తిక్ ఫిక్స్. నేను ఏం మాట్లాడినా కార్తిక్ తోటే మాట్లాడతా. ఓకే, ఐఎమ్ నాట్ ఫైండింగ్ ఎనీ అదర్ పర్సన్ వేర్ ఐ కెన్ హ్యావ్ ఫన్. ఏం కార్తిక్, ఫీల్ అవుతావా? చలో, ఎవరు ఒకళ్ళు ఉండాల, ఒక బ్యాచ్ లా బాబు ఉండేటోడు, అట్లా ఒక్కొక్క బ్యాచ్ లో ఒక్కొక్కడు. సరే చలో, వాట్ ఈస్ దట్? సో విల్ take a bowl and we'll collect the juice. Second thing, do we add nimbu, ginger, right? And we keep ice in the bowl also. These are all common procedure or not? So while we are doing something, whatever the while loop we are going to learn, you need to understand the working nature also. Okay, let us see how I will do this work now. So if I run this code, first it will take a number from the user. Okay. That number, it will take something from the user. If you give number, it will be converted into a number. What is that, sir? Basically whatever you type, that is considered as string. Okay, that should be converted into a number. That number will be stored in n1. And then while we'll check the condition, n1 is greater than 0 or not. Suppose if I gave 10, 10 is greater than 0 or not? Yes, true. So then it will print the given number. So 10 is greater than or 0, greater than 0 will give you true. So when while get the true the value, it will continue executing this block. Okay, once it executed this block, it will print the given. Okay, there is no meaning, but it will print the given number is positive. Then again it will test the n1 is greater than 0 or not. Again the same number, right? So it will again satisfies the condition. n1 greater than 0 gives you again true. So again this block will be executed. After completion of the block, again condition will be checked. There is no stop. Suppose if I execute this code, first it will print all the console statements in the browser, right? After that what will happen, you know, it will go down to the table, then it will go down to the 5th floor, then 4th floor, then on the road, and it will go to Sri Lanka. I mean to say that is called infinite loop. Not about Sri Lanka. It's, I mean to say infinity. It will keep on executing. Actually your browser will be stuck. So how smartly you can control this? It is like your accelerator. How smartly you control, based on that accelerator only you drive it, right? ఒక చోట తగ్గిస్తూ ఒక చోట పెంచుతూ. Even after reaching home, if you keep on rising, then you don't directly go to the 8th floor. ట్రై చేస్తున్నావా మీ? అందుకే ఆటోలు వస్తున్నావు, మొన్న అందుకే బైక్ పాడైపోయింది. ఓకే కార్తిక్, So you have to control, right? What is the purpose of brake? What is the purpose of clutch? What is the purpose of change, gear? These are all for what? Good answer. Bike nature is to move. Bike's nature is to move. What you should know? How to control it. Right? మనం చాలా కంట్రోల్ చేస్తే మనకి అనిపిస్తుంది కదా, వెళ్ళేందరూ తెలుస్తుంది మనం ఏం కంట్రోల్ చేయాలి. ఎవరినెవరు కంట్రోల్ చేయొద్దు. అది నేను చెప్పేది ఏంటంటే డోంట్ కంట్రోల్ ఎనీబడి. ఓకే, సో we need to have that control. You need to drive yourself. Okay, I have a very good control on the food. I'll mix sambar with chutney with kura. I have a very delicious mix of blends. That is not control, uncontrolled. Okay, so while we'll check the condition, if the condition returns true, then it will execute the block of code. This is a continuous process. Okay, how do you stop it? How do you control it? Okay, very good. First of all, I can control by reducing the speed. నేను బ్రేక్ అప్లై చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. When I am moving, okay, you're on 40, you're on 60, you're on 80. Okay, there is a red signal. As soon as you see the red signal, you break up, apply brake చేస్తా సత్తవు. Okay, if you apply there, not only it stops, it will ends. Stop tarvata, it's called end. What do? You slow. Do you slowly reduce that or not? That is what I'm going to do now. So you go to the inside the block, you write slow. No, don't worry. You have to write n1 is equal to n minus 2. Sorry, n1 minus 2. What will happen? Steps, lift, staircase, n1 value reduce అవుతుంది. What will happen? Imagine, or let us suppose n1 I have taken as 20. Okay, so 20 is greater than 0. Is the condition approves or not? Approved. So it gives you true. So whatever there inside the while, it will execute console.log of given number is positive printed. After that, n1 is equal to n1 minus 2. I have taken 20. So 20 minus 2, 18. So n1 will have 18 now. So before going to check the condition, what is the n1 value? 18. Is 18 greater than 0? Is 18 greater than 0 or not? So it executes. As per the father, it will print again given number is positive. Again n value will be reduced to n minus 2. That means 16. 16 will be compared with 0. Then 14. That means printed number becomes 14. Then 2. 2 is greater than 0. Printed. Now n1 becomes 2 minus 2. What is the value of n1? 0. Again condition. Condition 0 greater than 0. Is it true or false? False. 0 is greater. 0 greater than 0 gives you false. ఎందుకు ఇస్తుంది false? Equal కాబట్టి. గ్రేటర్ కాదు కాబట్టి, బికాస్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ గ్రేటర్, నాట్ బికాస్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్. నో, దిస్ థింకింగ్ డజంట్ వర్క్. It is not greater, so that it will give you false. Ready? Then it will stop. You need not to write the block. Shall we do that? I am giving 20. So I got 10 times the given number is positive. Okay. What happens if I apply n1 here in the double quotes?
Number will be printed.
Number print aithuda, n1 print aithuda?
N1.
20 20 20 18 16 14 atla print aithuda?
n1 10 times print.
All very good, very good. You are thinking, right? You are thinking. Okay, good. Yes. Why it will print n1 not as a number, it will print as a string. It print 10 times n1 not as a value because you put it in a quote, so it will print as n1. Suppose if I print it like this, then whatever there inside the brackets, it will be considered as variable. n1 ఇప్పుడు వేరియబుల్ గా కన్సిడర్ అవుతుంది. హలో, డబుల్ కోట్స్ పెట్టగానే అది ఎన్ని ఫీల్ అవుతుంది? రైట్? సో యాక్చువల్లీ క్లాస్ ఈజ్ ఓవర్. అట్నే ఉంటుంది. కాన్సెప్ట్ ఈజ్ డన్. నౌ the driving, no, don't leave the class, calm down guys. మీరు నాకంటే హైలైట్ ఉంటుంది. వెళ్ళిపోతారు వాళ్ళు. అయిపోయిందంటే అయిపోయింది. ఏం మనీషా ఉన్నారా? చిన్న ఓకే గైస్, నేను 2005లో పాస్డ్ అవుట్ సార్. అప్పుడు మీరందరూ ఏం చేస్తారో మీరు ఆలోచించుకోండి. ఓకే, సో మీరు అందరు నాకు చిన్న పిల్లలే, సరేనమ్మా? నేను అలవాటు అయిపోతుంది నాకు అట్లా. ఐ గో టు వర్క్ షాప్స్. ఓకే, మా జూనియర్స్నే నేను అట్లా ట్రీట్ చేసేటోడిని. ఇంకా మీరైతే మరీ చిన్న పిల్లలు. ఓకే, సరే. వేర్ వీఆర్ నౌ, ద పాయింట్ ఈజ్ మై డ్రైవింగ్ స్కూల్ కోర్స్ ఈజ్ డన్ ఆన్ వైల్ లూప్. Now we have to think collectively. This is thinking. How? What do you mean by that? నువ్వు డ్రైవ్ చేయాలి ఇప్పుడు. చేద్దామా వద్దా? నాకు భయం సార్, మీరు కూర్చోండి. ఉంటా, నేను ఇక్కడనే ఉన్నా, ఎటు పోతలేదు. I want you to print up to 10 to 1. నేను ఎక్కడ, see, if I give 10 as input, it should print 10, 9, like that. ఆలోచించి ఇప్పుడు ఏదో ఒకటి ఇట్లా చెప్పేస్తే ఇంకా నువ్వు గెస్ చేసుకోరా ఇది కరెక్టాగా, అట్లా వద్దు. నువ్వు కన్స్ట్రక్టివ్గా ఆలోచించు, గెస్ చేయకు. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఇఫ్ ఐ గివ్ 10, what I n1 minus 1 కాదు సార్, ఏమనుకోకండి. మీరు ఎట్లా మాట్లాడాలంటే, we should change the condition. Sorry, we should not condition. We should change the decrementation from n1 is equal to n1 minus 2 to n1 is equal to n1 minus 1. Super answer. Complete ga చెప్తున్నాను. The reason is, only if you say like that, you will write it. మీకు అర్థమైంది? మీరు ఎందుకు రాయలేకపోతున్నారు అంటే మీరు కరెక్ట్గా అర్థం చేసుకోవట్లేదు. మీరు ప్రతిసారి గెస్ చేసుకుంటున్నారు అంతే. ఓకే రైట్. You have to print from the given number to 5. Given number from a given number to 5. Up to 5. Suppose if I give 20, you have to print 20, 19, 18, 16 till 5. What changes we have to make?
N1 greater than or equal to 5 అని పెడితే అవుతుందేమో సార్.
Good. ఓకే, ఎప్పటి నుంచి ఎట్లా అనిపిస్తుంది? రైట్. సో ఐ హ్యాడ్ టు, ఇఫ్ ఐ గివ్ 0, why that series is printing only up to 0? The reason is I'm checking I have given the condition in such a way that if n1 is greater than 0, only till that you have to print. So I will change the condition from n1 greater than 0 to n1 greater than 5. So if I give 34, it is printing 34 to 5 print అయిందమ్మా. 6 print అయింది, 6 వరకు print. Is it good? Nice. Now I want you to print from 1 to 10. 1 to given number. Okay, not this way. 1 to given number. అది మీరు ఓన్గా చేయండి అమ్మా. ప్లీజ్ డూ ఇట్ బై యువర్ ఓన్. టైం స్పెండ్ చేయండి. నేను కోడ్ ఇక్కడే ఉంచేసిన, ఇదే కోడ్ని చూస్తూ హౌ టు ప్రింట్ 1 to 10. డోంట్ అప్లై యువర్ ఓల్డ్ లాజిక్. మీ పాత లాజిక్లు ఉన్నాయి చూసినారా, అవి ఇప్పుడు అప్లై చేయకండి. ఓకే, డోంట్ గెస్ ద కోడ్. వాట్ ఎవర్ యు ఆర్ రైటింగ్, టేక్ ఇట్ యాజ్ మీనింగ్ఫుల్. సీరియస్లీ ఐఎమ్ గివింగ్ యూ 5 minutes. 5 minutes ఇస్తున్నా నేను. రాయండమ్మా, ట్రై చేయండి. 1 to 10. 6 1 to 10. 7 minus 2. 14 13. अरे वाइल्ड कंडीशन चेंज करना चाहिए.
సార్ చిన్న డౌట్ ఉంది. సార్
Great. Basara, have you tried? Yeah, Keshu, go ahead.
సార్ అది ప్లస్ ప్రాంప్ట్ కి నార్మల్ ప్రాంప్ట్ కి డిఫరెన్స్ ఏంటి సార్?
When we take the input from prompt, it will take it as a string. We have to convert that string into a number. You
Okay,
got
sir.
my point?
Yes.
Okay, that is the reason. First of all, what was the question?
అదే సార్
One,
ప్రాంప్ట్
two. Okay, okay, Keshu, that's done. I was name question again. What is the question I asked? 1 to 10. So
Okay.
it should start from 1. So the n value should start from 1. So this is not the case. We don't need any prompt. So I will start from 1 and n1 should be less than or
10.
equal to 10 or less than 11. Okay, less than 10 pettu, no problem. Okay, less than 10. Then console.log of n1. So it will print 1. Then n1 is equal to n1 minus 1. So what is
Plus
n1? 1, yeah, correct. What is n1? 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So next it will print, it will check 0 is less than 10 or not. 0 is less than 10 or not. Yes. So it is going to be printed. Got it? What it is going to print? 0, not 2. So 1, 0. See what will happen. ఏమవుతుందో ఆలోచించుకోండి. Then 0 minus 1. What is 0 minus 1? Minus 1. Again minus 1 is again less than 10. Then it will print minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Even minus 10,864, minus 84 lakhs, minus 400 crores, minus 800 crores. These are all less than 10. So it will go to Sri Lanka. That is infinite. So not only the condition, you also have to change this increment and decrement or decrement. So here now, if I say n1 is equal to n1 plus 1, then it will give you, after 1, it will happen 2. Okay, very good. So now if you check the output, it is printing 1 to 9. Why 9? When it is greater than or less than or equal to 10 gives you up to 10. Is it clear? Not clear, I am sure. You take another program, matlab, రాయండి ఇప్పుడు code రాయండి. Now you write the code. మీ రియాలిటీకి ఎక్స్పెక్టేషన్స్కి డిఫరెన్స్ ఎట్లుంటుందో ఒక చిన్న చూపిస్తా. ఇప్పుడు మీకు అర్థమవుతుందిలే. సో ఇది నేను దీని గురించి తర్వాత మాట్లాడతాను. కెన్ యూ ప్లీజ్ గివ్ మీ ద పేపర్? ఇదేనమ్మా రియాలిటీ ఎట్లుంటుంది అనమాట. ఉంటాయా మేమ్స్ రియాలిటీ వర్సెస్ ఎక్స్పెక్టేషన్స్? ఓకే, డోంట్ టేక్ సో ఈజీ. యు ఆర్ సేయింగ్ n అండ్ n1 రెండు వేరియబుల్స్ ఎందుకు వచ్చినాయి ఇక్కడ? ఇదే ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఏది? నువ్వు ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ రాస్తున్నావు. వేర్ ఈస్ ద ప్రోగ్రామ్? జస్ట్ గివ్ మీ ద ప్రోగ్రామ్. ఏందది? వాహ్ వా మోదీజీ వా. ప్రోగ్రామ్ కదా నేను అడిగింది. నేను టైం తీసుకుంటానమ్మా. console.logలో బ్రాకెట్ అట్లా పెట్టి లేసారు. నన్ను పెడతారే, నా ఫేస్ పెట్టి అక్కడ, లేకపోతే ఏం పెట్టాలడా? n1. ఇంకా చాలా చాలా మిస్టేక్స్ ఉన్నాయి, చెప్తాదా ఒక్కొక్కటి. ప్లీజ్ బ్రింగ్ ఎ బుక్. ఆ పేపర్లు ఇప్పుడు నీకేమైంది? బుక్ తెచ్చుకోలే? సినిమా పోతున్నావేమి సాయి? అది అర్థమైనట్టు అనిపించింది కదా ఒక్కసారి అన్నీ వచ్చేసినాయి. ఐ గాట్ ఇట్ అనిపించింది కదా. ఇది మీ గాట్. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈస్ వాట్ హ్యాపెన్స్ వైల్ n1 less than or equal to 10. చూడు, where n1 is equal to 1, while n1 less than or equal to 10. If you take the variable name as n1, use the same variable for the condition. Then open bracket console.log of n1, then increment the n. Okay, suppose, right now I will go back to the image. నేను ఎందుకు చూపించాలనుకున్నానంటే, why I want to show you this image is, as if you become so rich within no time, the same way within no time you will get into the down. Okay, practice is also the same thing. You have to do step by step. Okay, whatever the knowledge I acquired from my engineering, out of that knowledge even 20% also not teaching to you. నేను తెలుసుకున్న 20% కూడా మీకు చెప్పట్లేదు. This is reality. But if I teach that, you feel like course is, wow, what a course. That's it. You can't do any bloody thing in this. Okay, only for this I am doing so many things for you. I'll give you so many exercises now. 1 to 10, now 20 to 30, 20 to given number, 40 to given number. Tomorrow is 1.5 hour, 1 hour online, complete online. Don't come to the institute. Everyone please attend. Dhritiman sir will take the practical sessions. Okay, complete exercises, complete as many exercises as possible. I am ready to give you that also, but you have to practice today also. With this much of knowledge, you have to start writing it. That's why our students are writing code. just for motivation. There was a girl called Pragnya. She was almost my age. She left the job and all 11 years back or 12 years back. She had almost all 8 years kid. She started learning programming from me. Now she is a programmer. I said, don't go to any experienced or fake experience. Just go for internship. She went it. Now, after 2 years, she is in a MNC TCS. Not TCS, sorry. Some other company. Same T word. And she is working on blockchain. And she is the programmer. Practice gives you step by step, gives you meaning. Ready, sir? Shall I go to the next level? I want to print only the even numbers between 1 to 10. Print only the even numbers. I don't want to print every number. If the number is even, only then print it. This is called combination. So how should I do that? For every number before printing, I will check whether that number is even or not. How do I check it? Inside the while, I'll write one more if n1 modulus 2 is equal to 0, only then I'll print this. Only then I will print this. Not every time. So that I will get only the even numbers between 1 to 10. I want to print only the odd numbers. I'll check the condition, and if the remainder is 1, I'll print that number. So I'll get the odd numbers. Right? Right. While you are doing these kind of programs, you get some issues or you get so many problems. The problem number 1. You may put a semicolon here. Okay. It is as dangerous as cyanide. You have already given the semicolon, Kavya. What happens if I put the semicolon? If you put the semicolon here, the while will be ended by here itself. This block will not be considered under while. So what will happen? Output rather. False. Any false? N1 is less than 10. If పక్కన పెట్టు ముందు while తోటి మాట్లాడు. నేనేమన్నా ఈ బ్లాక్ while కి యాడ్ అవ్వదు. This is not going to be the part of while. It will not stop. First of all, try to understand. N1 less than 10. N1 less than 10. It is true. And there is no, this is empty statement, right? Again it will come and check N1 is less than 10 or not. Again it will come and check N1 is less than 10 or not. It will be repeating. Where it is going also, I don't know. Continuously there itself, it will continuously repeat and you don't get the output. Only semicolon can kill your one day. Sometimes 2 days. Sometimes your life. That is, you leave the programming without any interest. రెండు విషయాలు నాకు నచ్చవు. నాకు మ్యాథ్స్ అంటే చాలా కష్టం. ఐఎమ్ వెరీ మచ్ వరీడ్ అబౌట్ ప్రోగ్రామింగ్. దిస్ 2 are, I hate those 2 statements. Math is so easy. computer science and programming is dead easy. It's not mechanical, man. I know what the struggle is with mechanical. I know what the struggle is with electrical. There is no practicality. If you do any small mistake, yeah. If you do a mistake in mechanical, there will be 2-3 casualties. If you do a mistake in civil engineering, collapse. Flyover, Panjagutta flyover. If you do a mistake in electrical, computer science is not like that. It's so sweet. It will hardly go for infinite loop, or else, sorry, we can't run the code, or else system will collapse. Casualties undo. Other sciences I hate. ఇంకొకటి ఉంది, pharmacy. If you do any mistake in the pharmacy, corona, COVID-19. Anyways, so it's so sweet, but it needs patience. You have to love it. అంతే కదమ్మా, లేకపోతే ఏమవుతుంది? Don't get easily. Got it? Okay. Anyways, let me go to the next point. That is, some people will keep this inside the if. ఇది కూడా చేస్తున్నారు. What is the possible output for this? I'm waiting. Yeah. Evaru? No one?
It will not print, sir.
It will not print. Okay. Chal, manchi answer. Okay. Next. What it will not print and what is that? Okay. Shall we read the code? So first, 1 is less than or equal to 10. Is 1 less than or equal to 10? Will it return true or not? So while true, so 1 modulus 2 is equal to 1. That is also true. So it will print 1. Then n1 will become 2. Then n2 will checks with 2 less than or equal to 10. Is it true? 2 less than or equal to 10. True or kada? So then inside the if, 2 modulus 2 equal to 1. Is it going to return true or not? 2 modulus 2 is equal to 1. False kada? Reminder is 0. It's false. So it will not execute if. Then n1 will not increase to 3. ఏమైంది? ఎక్కడ ఆలోచన మిస్ అవుతుంది అక్షయ్? n1 is 1. 1 modulus 2 is 1. Condition is true. Then n1, of course, 1 will be printed and then n1 will become 2. 2 less than 10. true. If lopala 2 modulus 2 is actually 0, but what is the condition I wrote there? 1. So condition false. So it will come out of the if. It will not execute n1 is equal to n1 plus 2. So n1 will be 2. Again, it will check the condition for while 2 is less than 2. 10. Yes. But 2 modulus 2 is not equal to 1. So again, n1 will not increase. n1 increase aitaledu. What happens? It will execute that code for infinite times. It will not print anything. The location of n1 is equal to n1 plus 1 is so important. Is that clear? Ready? Very good. I want you to print over. Today's class is over. I will give you the assignments. You start working on those assignments. Huh? As much as possible. Even you can go to my practical JavaScript in VLR, not in our, I think, I don't know whether we have it or not. In a link kuda pampista, a channel link, playlist link. Don't worry, that is in English. Everyone can understand. Now the question is, how do you print the even numbers from 20 to 30? You have to print the even numbers, okay, odd numbers from 20 to 30. Yeah. What the code is same. What changes you need to do? ఏం చేంజెస్ చేస్తే ఈ కోడ్ 20 to 30 ఈవెన్ నెంబర్స్ ప్రింట్ చేస్తుంది?
We have to put n1 as 20. Statements while n1 greater than or equal to 30. Sorry, less than or equal to.
Okay, good. Okay, others also. May the answer is right, may the answer is wrong. We don't know. But you have to, everyone has to think about it.
Sir, inside a while loop, we can write one more if condition. Like if n1 is greater than 20 and yes, and n1 less than 30.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. So starting, I had to start it from 20. So the initial value, I had to take it as 20. Right? I had, of course, first of all, if I want to print, see guys, see. If I want to print 20 to 30, you know the logic, right? n1 is equal to 20 while n1 is less than or equal to 30. So it will print all the 20 to 30. That's it. But when you apply this, if condition, what will happen? In between 20 to 30, whatever the even odd numbers are there, they are going to be printed. Hello? Yes? So you somebody gave a different logic. Okay, inside the if you have to change. No. What is the starting number? What is the ending number? Are you getting me? If you want to stop the car, use the brake. Don't apply the brick. Of course, ఆపొచ్చు అంటే ఆపొచ్చు. సిగ్నల్ పడంగానే టకా టక్ కూడా ఇట్లా పెడుతువా? Right. So think about it. How do you control anything with the 3 steps? Okay. Now I am telling you what is while. While is a control statement which will have 3 parts. One is initialization, then condition, then increment or decrement. This is what called while loop. While is a control statement with 3 parts: initialization, condition, and increment, decrement. What is a car? How do you control the car? Clutch, brake, gear, steering కూడా. ప్లీజ్ అది కూడా వాడండి. ఆయన స్టీరింగ్ వాడతలేడు సార్, చూడండి కొద్దిగా చెప్పండి. ఓకే, చెప్పినావా? చెప్పు సార్. గుడ్ గుడ్ గుడ్. No, please have fun, but try to relate these all things with the real time. I am trying my best to give you the real time examples. Okay, understood? Apple అంటే మీకు మైండ్లో ఒకటి రావాలి కదా, పింక్ రెడ్ కలర్లో. The same way while loop, whenever I ask you to write something on the while, you should remember that ganna, I mean to say sugarcane. Okay, understood? So just go to this Edupoly, and in the tutorials we are adding so many other things also, but it's okay. In the tutorials, in the JavaScript foundation, you have loops assignments here. These are all if else assignments. These are all loop assignments. ఓకే, లేదు సార్ నాకు ఇంకా ఓపిక ఉందంటే ఇది క్లిక్ చేయి. చుక్కల ప్రోగ్రామ్స్, ముగ్గుల పోటీలు అన్నీ వస్తాయి. ఓకే, విల్ సీ దట్. బట్ దిస్ ఈస్ ద ప్రాక్టీస్ వాట్ ఐ వాంట్ యూ టు డూ. ఫ్రమ్ మండే anyways I am going to start the arrays. No second question. Tomorrow you have to learn for loops. You have to do practice. I'll give you more videos. You have to mix all these things. But I want you to practice a lot on for loop, if else, while loop. Ready, sir? Chalo. That's it for the day. Those people who have yet to pay, please complete the payments. Thank you.